Hello student. Now today we study about biofortification and the method and example of biofortification. So, definition of biofortification: a method in which crops are bred means produced for having higher level of vitamin, minerals, fats, that is better nutrient value. This method is called as biofortification. So, the main objective for this biofortification, following objectives were considered for the breeding program. So, first, number one, protein content and quality. Second, oil content and its quality. Third, micronutrient content and its quality. And the fourth, vitamin content. So, method for biofortification. There are two methods for biofortification. First method, selective breeding, and the second method, rDNA technology. rDNA means recombinant DNA technology. So, selective breeding. Selective breeding means high nutrient varieties of crop plants are selected and they are crossed with high yielding variety, that is high production varieties, and the seeds obtained from cross are used. So, they are mostly increased nutritional value. The second method, that is rDNA technology, which is also called as recombinant DNA technology. It involves introduction of foreign gene in organism. Now these organisms are called transgenic organism or genetically modified organism, which are increase the nutritional value. The next one, that is advantage of biofortification. So the main advantage of biofortification, it improve nutritional value of crops. Second, it helps to reduce micronutrient deficiency, that is reduce problem of malnutrition. Example of biofortification. So first example, that is wheat Atlas 66. It increase with high protein content. The second one, fortified maize, it having twice the amount of amino acid, that is lysine, and the second one, that is tryptophan. Third example, iron fortified rice. It has 5 times more iron. Number 4, carrot and spinach. They have more vitamin A and minerals. Number 5, bitter gourd and tomato. They have more vitamin C and they are developed by IARI, that is Indian Agriculture Research Institute. Number 6, garden pea and beans. They have more protein contents and also developed by IARI. So these are biofortification which increase the nutritional value of plant. Definition, objective, method, advantage and example of biofortification.